In this video, I will explain how to calculate a monthly mortgage payment. So here's the formula that you can use. P times R over N divided by 1 minus 1 plus R divided by N to the power of negative N times T. Now, in this formula, P is the loan amount, R is the annual interest rate, N is the number of payments per year, and T is the total number of years. So let's take a look at an example of how to use this formula. This says Dave takes out a $300,000 mortgage loan with a 6% annual interest rate for a 30-year term. Find his monthly mortgage payment. So let's go ahead and use this formula up here. So let's write MMP for monthly mortgage payment is equal to P. So P is the loan amount. We're told that Dave takes out a $300,000 loan. So that's the loan amount. So let's write that. Then we need to multiply that by R divided by N. So R is the annual interest rate. So the annual interest rate we're told is 6%. So as a decimal, that would be 0.06. And we're dividing that by N, where N is the number of payments per year. So we're trying to find his monthly mortgage payment. So there are 12 months in a year, so for N we will use 12. And then we're dividing that by 1 minus 1 plus R over N. So again, that's just 0.06 divided by 12. And we're raising that to the power of negative N, so negative 12 times T, where T is the number of years. So we're told that this loan is a 30-year term. So for T, we'll use 30. So this is the formula that we can use to find the monthly mortgage payment. We just need to simplify it a little bit. So we get 300,000 times 0.06 divided by 12. That turns out to be 0.005. And in the denominator, we have 1 minus, so 0.06 divided by 12, that's 0.005, plus 1, that would be 1.005. And that's raised to the power of negative 12 times 30. So that is negative 360. So in the numerator, here's what we get. 300,000 times 0.005 is 1,500. And in the denominator, we get 1 minus 1.005 to the negative 360 power. Here's what that turns out to be. Now the last step is 1,500 divided by this long decimal here. And that turns out to be $1,798.65. That's what Dave's monthly mortgage payment would be. And you can use this exact same process to find any monthly mortgage payment as long as you know these values right here.